Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your BlitzWolf BW-WA4 speaker with any Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, you have to just use this power button, click and hold it for a few seconds until this indicator turns on. As you can see, this indicator is blinking, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. Right now on your laptop you have to go to the system settings, go for the Bluetooth and devices, turn it on with the switcher and go to add device. Select Bluetooth, and right now select your speaker from all available devices list. At the end you can go to the system settings, check for the sound, and be sure that our speaker is selected for the output device. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.